Are you looking to earn some extra cash in 2023? Whether you want to save for a dream vacation, pay off debt, or simply have more financial freedom, starting a side hustle can be the perfect solution. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money outside of your regular 9-to-5 job. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and explore new avenues for income generation, keep reading. In this video, we'll share 5 exciting side hustles that you can start in 2023. Get ready to turn your spare time into valuable opportunities. How to get started with a side hustle. Looking to embark on a side hustle adventure? Here's how you can get started. 1. Identify your passion and skills. Think about what you love doing or are naturally good at. Are you a social media whiz, a talented writer, or maybe an expert organizer? Identifying your strengths will help guide you towards the right side hustle. 2. Research potential opportunities. Once you have an idea of your skills and interests, research different side hustles that align with them. Explore online platforms, job boards, and networking communities to find gigs that match your expertise. 3. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve through your side hustle, whether it's earning extra income or gaining experience in a new field. Setting specific goals will motivate and keep you focused along the way. 4. Plan your time wisely. Balancing a side hustle with other commitments can be challenging, so ensure proper time management is in place. Create a schedule that allows dedicated hours for working on your gig without compromising other important aspects of life. 5. Start small but dream big. Begin by taking on smaller projects or clients as you build up confidence and experience in your chosen field. As time goes on, don't be afraid to aim higher and pursue bigger opportunities. Remember, starting a side hustle requires determination and perseverance, but the rewards can be well worth it. So take the leap into this exciting world of additional income streams and watch as it transforms both your finances and personal growth. Social Media Manager. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and businesses are leveraging its power to boost their online presence. If you have a knack for social media and enjoy spending time on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, then becoming a social media manager could be the perfect side hustle for you in 2023. As a social media manager, your role would involve creating engaging content, managing campaigns, and interacting with followers on behalf of businesses or individuals. You would be responsible for developing strategies to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to websites or online stores. One of the perks of being a social media manager is the flexibility it offers. You can work remotely from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet access. This makes it an ideal option if you're looking for a side gig that allows you to work on your own terms. To get started as a social media manager, it's essential to build your skills by staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices in digital marketing. Familiarize yourself with various scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer that can help streamline your workflow. You can find clients by reaching out directly to small businesses in your local area or join freelance platforms where companies post job listings specifically for social media management positions. Becoming a successful social media manager requires creativity, excellent communication skills, and attention to detail. It's all about crafting compelling content that resonates with the target audience while aligning with the brand's overall image. By honing these skills and continuously learning from experience, you could turn this side hustle into a thriving career opportunity. So why wait? Start exploring this exciting field today. Personal shopper. Personal shopper, a side hustle for the fashion savvy. Are you obsessed with fashion trends, always staying up to date on the latest styles? If so, becoming a personal shopper can be an exciting side hustle for you to consider in 2023. As a personal shopper, you get paid to shop and curate stylish outfits for clients. One of the great perks of being a personal shopper is that it allows you to turn your passion into profit. You'll have the opportunity to work with individuals who rely on your expertise to enhance their wardrobe and make them look fabulous. Whether it's helping someone create a professional image or assisting them in finding the perfect outfit for a special occasion, your fashion knowledge will come in handy. To get started as a personal shopper, begin by building an online presence through social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Showcase your styling skills by creating eye-catching outfit combinations and sharing them with potential clients. It's also important to network within your local community and attend fashion events where you can meet potential clients face-to-face. As a personal shopper, excellent communication skills are essential. You need to listen attentively to understand your clients' preferences and needs while offering expert advice tailored specifically for them. Building trust and maintaining good relationships with clients will ensure repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Remember that every person is unique when it comes to style choices. What works for one may not work for another. Adaptability and flexibility are key traits of successful personal shoppers as they cater their services according to each client's individual taste. Freelance writer. Are you a wordsmith with a passion for storytelling? Do you have a knack for crafting compelling content that captivates readers? If so, then freelance writing may be the perfect side hustle for you in 2023. As a freelance writer, you have the freedom to choose your own projects and work on your own schedule. Whether it's creating blog posts, articles, or website content, there is always a demand for talented writers in today's digital age. One of the great things about being a freelance writer is that you can specialize in topics that interest you. Whether it's fashion, travel, technology, or health and wellness, the possibilities are endless. This allows you to not only earn money doing what you love but also expand your knowledge and expertise in areas that excite you. In addition to flexibility and variety, freelancing as a writer offers potential financial rewards. With experience and skill development over time, writers can command higher rates per word or project. Plus, if you establish yourself as an expert in a particular niche market or industry, clients may be willing to pay even more for your specialized knowledge. To get started as a freelance writer in 2023. One. Build an online portfolio showcasing your best work. 2. Network with other writers and industry professionals. 3. Utilize job boards and online platforms dedicated to connecting freelancers with clients. 4. Market yourself through social media channels by sharing valuable insights and tips related to writing. 5. Continuously improve your skills by taking courses or attending workshops related to writing techniques and trends. Remember, freelance writing requires discipline and self-motivation since clients rely on timely delivery of high-quality work from their contracted writers. Virtual assistant. The role of a virtual assistant has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's easy to see why. As businesses continue to embrace remote work and outsourcing, the demand for skilled professionals who can provide administrative support from anywhere in the world has soared. One of the great things about being a virtual assistant is that you have the flexibility to choose your own hours and clients. Whether you want to work part-time while juggling other commitments or dive into it full-time, there are opportunities available for everyone. As a virtual assistant, your tasks may include managing email correspondence, scheduling appointments, organizing files, conducting research, and even handling social media accounts. The variety of tasks means that no 2 days are ever the same. To succeed as a virtual assistant, excellent communication skills are crucial. You'll need to be comfortable interacting with clients remotely and ensuring clear lines of communication at all times. Additionally, strong organizational skills will help you stay on top of multiple projects simultaneously. Getting started as a virtual assistant is relatively straightforward. Build an online presence by creating a professional website or LinkedIn profile showcasing your skills and experience. Network within online communities and reach out directly to potential clients or join freelance platforms where clients post job opportunities. Personal trainer. If you have a passion for fitness and love helping others achieve their health goals, becoming a personal trainer could be the perfect side hustle for you. With more people prioritizing their well-being, the demand for knowledgeable trainers is on the rise. To get started as a personal trainer, consider getting certified through reputable organizations such as the National Academy of Sports Medicine, NASM, or the American Council on Exercise, ACE. These certifications will not only provide you with valuable knowledge but also enhance your credibility in the industry. Once you're certified, start building your client base by offering personalized training sessions either in person or online. You can promote your services through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to attract potential clients. Consider creating engaging content related to fitness and wellness to showcase your expertise. As a personal trainer, you'll have the flexibility to set your own schedule and choose clients that align with your interests and specialties. Whether it's weight loss, strength training, or rehabilitation exercises, tailoring your programs to meet individual needs will keep clients coming back for more. Additionally, consider partnering with local gyms or fitness studios where you can conduct group classes or offer training packages exclusively for their members. This collaboration can help expand your reach and establish yourself as an expert within the community. Remember that being a successful personal trainer goes beyond just guiding workouts. It's about building relationships and motivating individuals to achieve their goals. By providing personalized attention and support every step of the way, you'll create loyal clients who are eager to recommend your services to others. In summary, starting a side hustle doesn't have to be daunting. It can actually be an exciting opportunity for growth both personally and professionally. The key is finding something that aligns with your skills, interests, and availability. Whether it's managing social media accounts, shopping for others as a personal shopper, writing freelance articles, providing virtual assistance, or helping individuals reach their fitness goals as a personal trainer. There are plenty of options to explore and